nights, trying to make it feel right. When every day I was down, but I'm still here. Turn my doubt, any drive, turn my fear. Win every day, keep going, don't stop. Even when it's hard, I still reach the top. Win every day, yeah, we all got a chance. One more step, one more win, one more dance, yeah. I don't wait, I just take what I want. Pressure on my back, but I still move front. No excuses, I've been through the pain. Turned every loss into fuel in my brain.
You know that feeling?
Same mission, no sleep, no break. If I fall, I bounce back, that's the price I pay. They talk, but I live what I say. I'm built for the storm, I don't run away. Win every day, I don't know no other way. Came from the dark, now I light up the stage. Hard cold still, I don't fold, I don't shake. Every single move that I make is a play. Win every day, yeah, I'm chasing the grind. No luck here, I just sharpen my mind. They see the results, but they don't see the climb. I was down bad, now I'm winning with time. Look, I don't quit, I don't break, I don't bend. Every ending I had just became a new bend. New level, new devil, I fight to the end. And I stack all the wins, and I do it again. No safety net, I jump on faith, build my own lane. Had to break that gate, now every setback turn to great escape. I was born for the pressure, I don't need escape. Win every day, that's the code that I live. Take everything pain, try to give. Turn it to power, that's what I give. No looking back, I got more life to live. Yeah, win every day. Win every day.
What's good, guys? What's good? It's been a minute. It's been a minute. Oh, let me turn the song down here. Let me turn it down a bit. Turn it down a bit. Oh, man. I know I'm late. I'm like 5 minutes late. Sorry about that. I had to set up the stream. It's been a while, bro. We didn't stream last week. I had to modify some of the lighting. Hopefully I'm brighter. Fix the camera. It was kind of messed up in the last stream. So was fixing up some of the OBS stuff so it looks good. But how's everyone doing? Wanted to hop in a little bit earlier before the FOMC drops. But yeah, let's see. Strong move down. We extended lower today. A lot of volatility, huge range. What's today's range? Let's see from high to low. Let's take this measured move. One sec. Let's see. Almost 800 points on AQ from high to low from overnight. Pretty crazy. Pretty crazy range. Pretty crazy. All right. See, this is what I mean. Like, dude, you're just gonna get banned. Spamming is not gonna help you. It's not gonna help you, okay? It's not gonna help you. So we're just going to put you in a little bit of a timeout so you can learn how to be respectful in the chat, okay? FOMC view bullish or bearish? I don't really have a bias. I'm gonna wait for the reaction and we're gonna trade the reaction. I don't have a bias. Like, I don't gamble. I'm not gonna send few accounts and try to pick a direction. We're gonna trade the move after. That's what we're gonna do. We're gonna look at the reaction and see if we can find a setup. First FOMC with order flow. Hey, welcome. Hey, also shout out to my guy here. He hit his first payout. He's been in the Discord since we opened, a true OG, and he switched to order flow from ICT, and he got his first payout from Lucid yesterday. So congrats, man. I said it to you in Discord. Huge progress, bro. 2 months. Insane. Hey, Yush, I'm new here. How can I learn order flow your way? Watch the streams, ask questions, and there's resources out there where you can learn from. Why only deep charts? Because why not? It looks great. I like how it looks. Just why not? Like, it does the job, right? And if you want to cop, code Yush gets you 25% off. Also, you get my templates now. So when you purchase using the code, you get my templates directly in the platform. Oh. Ooh. Does Deep Charts Web have big trades? I do not think so. So the free version does not have big trades. But I heard it's coming soon. I don't know the time frame. I don't know the ETA. But I heard it's coming soon. Too much delay? Good. So you can't copy my trades, bro. I did that on purpose. Got you. You can't copy my trades, so sucks, man. Also, I'm looking right now. This is ultra low latency. The stream is on. So I can't make it lower. And yeah, don't copy my trades, you know? So that's not the intent here. We're gonna have fun. We're gonna look at the opportunities that show up. And as always, I explain what I'm seeing behind every trade, like I do on the stream from the on Discord. So have a reason behind every trade, a plan behind every trade. And yeah, don't copy though. Not financial advice. Do not copy. What is this? What's up, Dat Trader? How you doing, bro? Yush, is your MotoWave template in your Discord? Yes, it is. Make a detailed video how to set up in Discord. You ever tried Bookmap? I used Bookmap years ago, but I haven't used. I think I started learning about order flow with Bookmap. It wasn't my style. It wasn't my style. I got lost in the noise when I used it, so I switched to what you're seeing now. I found more comfortability in it. You miss me, son? Of course I did, bro. I missed everyone. That's why we're streaming. I feel like we haven't streamed in a while. And I was like, yo, we gotta, it's fun. It's fun streaming on YouTube. Obviously, there's trolls and stuff, as we saw. Someone just comes in, spams like 10 times. Relax. I'll get to your questions, okay? We'll get to your questions. Don't be spamming, though. Don't be spamming. Copy everything and no one can stop me. Hey, I have to throw that out there because I know someone will copy and they'll take a losing trade because of me, and they're like, "Dude, you suck, bro. You suck." Is this you deep charts on the screen? Yes, it is. All right, we got so two things here. Okay, today we have the announcement, the Fed rate, whether they're gonna keep it same, increase, decrease, and then we have the new Fed chair. So Powell is gone. Man, I miss Powell. I'm gonna be honest. I miss Powell. I learned trading when Powell was, he was a center point. Like he was killing it when I was learning how to trade. He coming on every FOMC, speaking. He went through the COVID, answered all the tough questions with the rising inflation. Now we have a new chair. Don't know much about him, but he comes on to speak around 2:30 p.m. EST, 30 minutes after the release. So keep that in mind. We have two different events, and markets tend to move based on what the speaker says. I just hope there's good volatility, which I think there will be, right? Because we have a huge range, a 700-point range on NQ. I expect volatility today. So let's see what we get. Let's see what we get. Yeah. So if you spam, you're getting banned. Okay. Don't put spam and just put your questions. Relax. Okay. If you were the opposite, if you were in my shoes, you wouldn't like it either. Okay. So let's relax. let's settle down. All right, I'll get to the questions. I'm not ignoring anyone. I'll even answer the haters, right? Bring it. I'm having a good month, you know? So I'm in a good mood today, you know, no one can ruin it. No one can ruin the mood, bro. The vibes are good today. I'm in a positive vibes. If you want to bring the negative energy, go for it. It's not going to affect my day. You know? Let's answer all the questions. Just please don't keep spamming. It just ruins the chat flow. And let's just keep it calm. Yeah, can we all not be friends? Can we not all get along? All right, less than a minute. All right, a few more seconds, guys. I could see us going up and then down, okay? But I'm not taking any positions off it. I'm trying to see what the news. Okay, let's see what the headline was coming out. Let's get it here. Or someone could put it in the chat. Probably faster than me, to be honest. While I'm trying to pull it up on X. Interest rates stayed the same. Feds leave rates unchanged, which I think was expected. Huge level right here, guys. So this has been a crazy support level. Look how many times we've held. We held yesterday as well. We broke underneath. We had strong volume underneath as well. And now we're above it on this news. So I do want to watch for this retest, how we react here now. If you do get that later on in the day. Which I think we will. We likely will get a retest. I expect it to be good range and down swings. Why are you using deep charts and at this? Does it matter what I use? Question. Does it matter? Just a platform is a platform, right? As long as you can get what you want out of it, it doesn't really matter. Wrong rally, guys. They launch a Mac version of deep charts soon, I believe. Watch these 800s too, guys. So it's been your previous day value area low here. That's why I have this zone mark. This was an area I was watching in the morning. Watching this also. Test. I want to try this long, guys. I'm in 2 lots. I want to put a stop just under here. A little bit wider stop here. If you get a bigger swing back up now. There's a lot of activity here. I want this previous day value area low to hold. Right, we had this breakout over it. I want this to hold on a back test, form a higher low here. If you get it. I feel like my charts are glitching a bit. I don't know, man. Being weird. Cash! 2K! Who's doing it, chat? Who's doing it? Who's doing it? Yo, hit the likes. Get them likes up. Them likes up right now. Who wants another banger? Likes up right now. Get them likes up. Oh, man. Who the fuck is Matt? Oh, man. Let's do it. Again, very simple concept, right? We were essentially consolidating here. A lot of volume accumulated between 800s and 28K. We broke underneath, had a strong move. Now we had a strong breakout over that level, back inside of where we've essentially formed value for the week. We saw strong volume on the breakout. We get in on the retest, put a stop just underneath. We're outside of value in case if this was a false breakout higher. And we take it, just a nice little 2 hours trade. Peters just pressed the dislike button. Oh shit, did they? Did they? Where are the shades? Dude, I don't know where the shades are. I think I got them here. Do we gotta put the shades on? Yo, chat, do we put the shades on? Do we put the shades on? I think I have them somewhere here. We put them on? We put them on? What do you guys think? Shades, do they gotta go on? All right, bet. Let me get them. Let me get them. Let's go. We got them shades? Bro, what's going on? What's going on, chat? We here. Live on YouTube. Put the fucking shades on. I love the energy. I love the energy. You know what? These shades are staying on. These shades are staying on. It's freaking bright as shit in front of me, but the shades are staying on. Unless we hit a unless we hit a loser, you know? The shades stay on until we hit a loser. Watching ES also on this 25 back test right here. Sorry guys. But again, similar type of thesis here. This is a really important support area that I held last week and early this week. In the morning session, we got underneath and we had a nice breakdown or follow through on the downside. Now we're above it. I want to see if buyers can defend, and did everything down here just become trapped. All the selling today become trapped post the news. So if you can get an entry here, see the activity that comes in here, and then move back up, maybe you can get a good risk reward entry, risking just underneath these 20s, 3-4 points, and to make like 20 points potentially. So let's see. I gotta get some water, guys. A lot of screaming. A lot of screaming. What is your equivalent size for MNQ versus MES? Like, do you typically trade off FI MNQ or do you have standard size? Don't really trade MES. I trade ES. MES just does not move at the speed that I would like it, if it makes sense. And I'm usually scalping, right? Like I'm not in my trades for that long. So I have tight stops and I'm in and out usually. Usually the winning trades are work out really quickly. Very little drawdown as well. So I don't know. With ES and MES, you have to, I don't trade it as much as NQ unless I see a setup that I really, really like. But what I would do, right, is depends on your stop. So if you want to if you have a trade idea and you want to risk 10 plus points and you want to target like 30-40 points, like a bigger time frame move, I guess, then you might need to go MES. But usually with my ES trades, I'm not risking more than 5 points usually. Bro, these shades are actually hurting my eyes, bro. I might have to take these off. This is too slow. It's too slow. I'm gonna take these off. Oh, bro, I'm taking these off. These are not good for inside when there's no sun. Will you take another long if NQ pulls back? I don't like it anymore because we made a lower high. It's kind of just consolidating here now. I would have wanted us to push just higher off it and without returning back. We didn't do that. So we could have just trapped buyers now if you get below here, and this could become a what? Look above and fail. So we formed value inside here. Buyers attempted to break out higher. Now, if you get back underneath, hold underneath 800s, we just trap buying up here. This is one of the setups that I do usually trade for, but we do have the Fed speaker coming on. So we have more news. So you'll have to keep that in mind. And I never like to be in a position into news. Gotta buy some new shades. Do I? Dude, do we just end the stream here? Do we take just under 2K and just be like, okay, we're done? Is that what we should do right now? Because bro, like 2K is good money. 2K is good money. I'm joking, by the way. I'm not ending the stream. We're not ending it. Not yet. You missed the end. You long on ES. Did I? I think this just consolidates until we get the Fed speaker. We should put some music. Hold on. Let me get some music. Oh, does this thing. So keep an eye on this, right? If we can't defend 800s, we could have just trapped some buying. Now we could start to return back to POC. Get my tool. We can start to move to 600s where we have POC here and the other side of range. How's everyone else day been so far? Morning session wise, or if anyone took anything overnight. How's everyone's day been overall coming into FOMC? Green for me. Good day, bro. Flat. First time here. Oh, flat. is better than red, okay? So that's good. And appreciate you tuning in, bro. Appreciate you. Down 1K. Only 1K. It could be more, right? It could be more. It could be down 2, 3. We have tech earnings today too, right? I think we do. We do have tech earnings. Any discount for your Discord group? There is no discount, and there won't be any discount from now on because we're adding some new stuff, new tools. We have this. I've been working on this custom gig spot essentially. For my version of gigs, what I like to see simplified. And it's gonna be offered to everyone in the Discord for free. It's gonna be part of the subscription along with everything else. And then we have some other stuff coming as well. So pulling back into those 25s here. We're up there 1,300 on the day, past the eval. Let's go. Oh, you passed the eval that you won yesterday. Let's go. So context there. We did some giveaways on Discord yesterday, and I got one and passed the account today. Lucid. I know nothing about order flow. Can I buy your course? Well, there's always a learning curve when you're trying to learn something new, right? But if you have the right attitude, right time frame on what you want to achieve, like if you think you can be successful, like if you are, let's just say you're not making any money right now from trading and you think that this is going to save you, like this thing is going to be like, oh, I'm going to be profitable in like 2 3 weeks just doing this. Yeah, it's not going to happen. No matter what you do, it's not how it works. That's not how trading is. You can't be successful in trading. You can't just flip a switch and you're just successful in trading. That's not realistic. You got to spend the time, review the information, be proactive, right? And be like, okay, what's not working here? What am I confused about? Really dive deep and also ask questions, right? But you got to apply yourself. There's no such thing in trading where you can rely on anyone to kind of be like, okay, I'm gonna do what this guy says, and I'm just gonna be successful because he figured it out. So I am just gonna do the same thing. Fortunately, that's not gonna work. What worked for me, it worked, right? But it's not in my. It's likely not gonna be the same. What you can do is take bits and pieces. You can learn risk management. You can take my risk management and be like, oh wow, look, he's disciplined. He knows when to stop trading, and he comes back like no something like that never happened. That's the mindset that all successful day traders have. That they know when to stop trading. They know when to press. It's such an important skill. And that's what I try to instill in everyone that I come across and be honest about it. Hey, trading is not a straight line curve up. Like you're not gonna win every single trade, but it's about how you manage every single trade and how you manage your emotions when things are not going your way. And really being a good loser. Funny that how it sounds, but losing is part of the game, and there's a such thing as winning in losing. So losing in a way where you don't lose everything versus when you lose, you go start a till cycle. That's like the losing you don't want to lose. Hopefully that made sense. Will you be increasing the Discord price? No, the Discord price will be the same as you see, but there will be some changes to it. But the price isn't gonna change. Like the things offered will be will change here and there, but everything that's included now will stay. And look, hit PTL1, you can ask him. He did not know anything about order flow. He joined in 2.5 months. He got his first payout. Throughout those 2.5 months, there was a lot of lessons that he took away. He told me about, right? Like things that happened to him. He was so close. He was able to pass, but then he would get funded. All these habits that are so common, like greed, rushing to a payout, right? He went through all of that. But in terms of what he was able to take away from the Discord and everything, like the mind shift, mindset. Bro, why did I started when I said that? But and the strategy, he figured it out, in my opinion. Now he's gotta take that next step and be consistent with it. And that's the next step for him, right? But he did it the right way. The way that I try to tell people to do, not just copy trade, not copy anyone, including me. Don't copy trade me. Take away the good things that all these successful people do and build it. Build your own system around it. And that's where the real learning happens. Oh man. I went on a little bit of tangent, didn't I? We got 3 more minutes before this bet speaker comes on. Um, I'm not really interested until he comes on. We'll wait. We'll wait and see what happens. How to get deep charts template. So there's two ways. You can join the Discord, get the template included, or you can sign up with deep charts using code Yush, and you automatically get the template inside of your deep charts when you go load the template. Do you use any other charts, visuals beside deep charts? So I have a platform that I'm building right now for gamma levels. I have that open, and when I'm traveling, I'll like, since it's easy, like portable, I use TradingView a lot more when I'm traveling, so I can check it on my phone, etc. My normal workstation, I'm just using deep charts and the platform that I'm building, the gamma levels, main things. When did you start using Gix levels? Oh, that's a good question. 2.5 months ago, 3 months ago. I'm not a strictly a Gix or a gamma trader. Um, I watch it, and it's a really powerful tool when you combine it with order flow. So you have these levels, right? And if you have the structure, the other things you look at lining up around those level, it's just extra confluence that you can add to your arsenal. It works really good with order flow because you can see confirmed buying or selling coming in around those levels, or when we're above a certain level, I should say, as well. So when we're below zero gamma, you tend to see volatility really pick up. Why my OBS I have an error here, guys? Are we seeing the stream fine? Are you guys seeing the stream fine? OBS is saying like reconnecting or some shit. Error here. Okay, it's good. Thank you guys for confirming. Wrong rejection so far. But now, what just happened, right? What did I say? We do not want to lose these 800s. Now we're below those 425s as well. Let's see if he's actually on and speaking, guys. Give me a sec. Let me check if the Fed speaker. It seems like he's speaking. The volatility's picking up again. Slowed down a bit. Things are picking up. He must be speaking, right? Must be speaking. He's speaking. Thank you, guys. Appreciate you. Appreciate you guys. Appreciate you guys. So, if you've seen any of my content, right? Potential, look above, and fail. Well, with the news, there's a lot of you know, unpredictability here in terms of anything can happen, right? So if you look at like the DOM right now, look at the volume, the lots per tick. It's very less, and it's moving really, really fast as well. You can get a move off just anything that the Fed speaker says, and this is invalidated. That's why I don't like trading the news, because technicals go out the way. Because there's very little orders on the book sitting above and below. So it's easier to move price until, the orders come back after. And we're at key pivotal points 25, 800. Started by saying good day. Must be good day for him. Must be. Really choppy, guys. Really, really choppy. Their preview for the Gigs platform. Um, don't have a preview for you right now. It's still being worked on. It's in production, like on a website and everything. It just working out some of the tweaks and stuff before releasing it. But I don't want to. It's not gonna be a actual product that I release in terms of. It's gonna be part of like a already what's offered, and it's just added value that I wanted to provide everyone in the Discord. Guys, I want to take this long here on ES. I want to risk 23s. I'm in one lot. I like how I was holding 25s. Ideally, I want to see us push into these 45s. If you can get it, is the goal. But it's liking what it's doing here. We retested. It's holding. 10 sellers try to break underneath, but there's not been any follow through. It's holding as support. And let's see if we can get this follow through up now. We need NQ to reclaim these 800s as well. Beautiful, beautiful. I think this can push higher, guys. If we can trap all the selling here that's coming in, these orders at the bid, this can really push higher. Let's see. I'm gonna trail my stop once we get over 45. Get this push. Come on. All right, 45. We're going break even, guys. We're plus $50. We can't go red. This is a risk-free trade, okay? Risk-free. Look how quickly we made this trade risk-free off a simple plan, a level that we were watching. Beautiful. Beautiful. I think, you know, this with the strong momentum, this could maybe push higher. This could push maybe higher. Let's see if we can get a quick, you know, impulse leg over this high here. Three R trade, by the way, so far. Beautiful. 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 I'm going to take it off here, guys. If I can. Hey, guys, why can I take this off? Why can I exit? Why can I flatten this? You guys see this shit? I can't flatten. My deep charts is bugging. My deep charts is bugging, chat. It won't let me take it off. I guess I'm going to let this go. Oh, bro, this is funny. This is funny. I guess we're going to let this keep going because I can't exit. Oh, this is funny, bro. It didn't want me to exit. It didn't want me to exit. So I'm like, all right, you know, I won't exit. I won't exit because it doesn't want me to exit. Are you guys happy though? I promised I would deliver. Did I not deliver FOMC in the Discord? I promised we're gonna eat on FOMC. Did I not promise? 2 for 2. How much drawdown do we have in the trade, guys? How much drawdown do we have in the trade? How much drawdown do we have in the trade? We're back. We're back. I got out of the trade with Rhythmic Web. So I'm up 3.2. 3.2. I exited. I'm all out. I got a little more. Hey, it canceled? What are you talking about, bro? I'm out. I'm out. I had to pull up a Rhythmic Web to get myself out. I'm out. So, the fact that this doesn't have 100 likes tells me you guys don't like it. You guys don't like these streams, okay? It's fine. We'll just make these on Discord exclusive as we've been doing these sniper entries with the shades, you know? We'll just keep doing this all on Discord only, right? Discord only. No one likes these streams, clearly. No one likes these streams. No one likes these streams. Bro's so worried. This guy's so worried about ads. How do I turn it off? How do I turn it off, bro? I just turn on default settings. I'm not a freaking expert in this social media shit, okay? How do you want me to turn off ads? You think I make shit off freaking YouTube? Oh, this guy, this little bitch wants to cry here. Oh, Yush is making has ads on. Fuck off, pussy. Fuck off. Oh man. Hey, Ron at Trades. You're so worried about the ads, you know? Focus on the trades. Get yourself an account using code Yush at checkout, my boy. All right, code Yush at checkout. Get yourself an account. Don't worry about them ads. All right, look at the value that you get, and you know, get trading, brother. And make sure you use code Yush at checkout at Lucid, Apex, Tradeify, or Funded T. But hey, thanks for tuning in. Appreciate you, my guy. Oh, man. All right. I'm likely done here. I'm likely done. 2 for 2. 3.2K. And yeah. So much for all them haters, as they always come. Hey, you never show winning trades on YouTube. Last 2 streams I've done on YouTube, what's happened? Actually, forget about last 2. Last 3-4 streams, what's happened? So, as always, keep hating. Keep running your mouths, you unprofitable mofos, because the real people that want value, it doesn't matter. You're going to keep tuning in, because you know when the value starts dropping, you gotta listen. Anyway, it's your boy Yush. I'm out. Until next time. And yeah, if you want to support the streams, want me to come back on, use code Yush. That's all you gotta do. If you're buying an account, code Yush at checkout. And yeah, I think that's it. See you guys. Peace.